in all my decisions that I make. I am worthy of success and of happiness. I am grateful for the love that is in my life. I am a powerful and capable individual. I am open to receiving love and support. I am at peace with my past. I am in control of my destiny. I am a source of strength and inspiration. I am a loving and nurturing person. I am aligned and in tune with my life's purpose. I am fearless and I am confident. I deserve good things. I am in complete control of my thoughts. I am growing each day. I am grateful for those who support me. I am a magnet for success. My positivity rubs off on others. I am at peace with the present moment. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I am a source of love. I am a channel for creativity. I have an open mind. I am open to new experiences. I have confidence in myself and my abilities. I am loving and I am caring. I am resilient and I can overcome anything. I am a kind and compassionate soul. I am worthy of respect.